Morning everybody. We are out here this morning putting on just a few accessories on the Tesla. It's kind of Christmas here yesterday. Also getting some window tint on the car today, which is going to be nice, especially since we're in the dead of summer here in Tucson. So I was actually fortunate enough to have a few referral credits left from some very kind people who used my referral code to buy some solar stuff. So I actually bought the all-weather mats from Tesla. I don't know anything about these, but they were on the website, so I bought them. So there's the two for the front and the big one for the back. And I bought Vion's new glass roof protector, the shade for both the little windows. So we'll throw this on as well, give you a look at that. Otherwise, all right, so I'm back from getting the tint put on the car, and two of the other things that I had ordered came in. Modern spare tire. If you're not familiar with this company, they make spare tires for Teslas and other vehicles, and I have one for the Model Y. And kind of this whole bundle is the jack, the tire, kind of all the things you need to change a tire on the road, other than it doesn't have the little lift pads that you can buy also to go under the jack. $450 to $500. Unfortunately, the one for the Model Y doesn't fit the Model 3, so I had to pick up another one. And with all the commuting I have to do up to Phoenix and around, I wanted to get another one. It's kind of I think it's a good investment personally, but it's got all your goodies right here, the jack and everything, the tool that you'll need. So that's kind of cool. And it'll be something that I won't drive around town with this in the car, just when I'm on the highway. Expensive, kind of heavy to carry around, but better than waiting for Tesla service in the middle of nowhere, in my personal opinion. And that's nothing against Tesla service. I don't want to sit around for 3 hours waiting for someone else to come change a tire for me. And then this is something else I got directly from Tesla, using those credits that I had from the referral program that is no longer. And it's just a little air pump for the tires. Comes in a nice little Tesla bag. I had a few credits left, so I picked this up as well. Anyway, back to the other video. We'll get that Vion headliner put in and the floor mats. So all the clips, I'm not sure if you've done one of these before. Some of the systems are a little different. These clips look a little different than what was came with the Model Y. It's a nice little storage bag. Generally what I've done with the Model Y is put it on during the summer and take it off in the winter time, or when it's cooler anyway. Wow, lose an eye with that. So that's what we're looking at. Let's set it in here so we don't get it all dirty. Alright, yeah, so they look to be I haven't even really looked at the glass windows. I guess they're about the same size, so they may be. No, this is the front one, so maybe they are slightly different. This back here also. Not exactly sure what these are for yet. I believe they're for the side windows here. No instructions in the box, so these must be little clips to put these on if you want to do it. That's what the little clips are for, maybe. But I'm not going to put them on. So on the box here, it essentially says clips and placement may vary, so you basically just figure it out. It sounds like it looks like I've got a couple small clips and then some of these larger ones. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw it on, and then I'll explain it afterwards. So we're back here in the back of the car, and what I figured out is put the side clips on first because it's super tight. This thing fits very snug. It's actually really nice. And then the front ones you can kind of slide this forward, put the clips on. Oops, as one falls off. Let's see if I can adjust the camera for you here. You can kind of pull that back a little bit, or don't slide it forward all the way. Put the clip on. Oops, helps if I do it the right direction. And then slide this back forward. And that tends to work the best from what I said. It's really difficult to get the clips into the side if this is set here. So definitely do the sides first. And it seems pretty secure. Very, very tight. It's a lot tighter than the one I have in my Model Y. So everything fits pretty well. You can see a little gap right here. I tried an additional clip, it didn't do anything. I think it's just the tension on the spring inside of the, or metal wire inside of the shade. But for the most part, it fits very nicely. And it sits down off of the glass as well. So let's try the front one. So hopefully you can see this. So I got the 2 clips on this one side. And we're going to try to slide it up in here. And then I'm going to stick 2 clips on this side before we get it snugged up in there. So real quick, definitely do the sides first. Got those guys in there, and I'll get them lined up a little bit better. So now we'll get the clips on the front. Yeah, I really like how snug that fits. It fits very, very well. And now we'll turn around and do the back. I'll roll my seat back. And I'll reach back here. Alright. So there is the Vion Sunshade for the Model 3 Highland. Very nice. Like I said, it's a lot tighter than the one I have in the Model Y, and that one requires magnets on the glass. So this one hangs down a little bit, matches the color pretty well. So my bald head will not be as toasty down the road now. All right, let's throw in the floor mats real quick. So the model, at least Performance, comes with this pretty shabby thin carpet floor liner. This thing seems fairly heavy duty. I wouldn't say that it's quite as stout as a WeatherTech all-weather floor mat, but it's not bad. I would definitely, I was looking at that at the WeatherTechs before I bought this off Tesla, but I had the credits, so that's why I went with this one. But the WeatherTech ones, those things are really good if you've not used them. So it fits quite well. And there's Tesla written on the mat there. Same deal on these, on the little carpet there. Front one also fits well. See that very well in there. And so there's the passenger side. That also looks pretty good. Got one other little piece from Vion. This is just a sunshade for the front window. I haven't opened it up yet, but I'm sure it'll be good as well. Alright, so that's pretty much it for today. I just wanted to do a quick video on these guys. You will see the car later, and it will have the tint on. I'm just doing the sides and the rear window. I'm not going to do the glass or the front for now, I don't think. Last thing I put on is a screen protector. I don't know the name brand off the top of my head, but I will put a link in the video description if you're interested in checking that out. Very easy to put on. God in heaven, that is frightening.